Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode, we are unboxing a new box for me. It is called Mi Spiritu, which is my spirit, and it is a quarterly subscription box. It is the value is over $100. But right now the box is $39.99 a quarter, and right now they have a special for if you type in the code SPRING SPRING 50 you can get the box for $19.99. Again, they say it's valued over $100 what's inside, so I'm not sure, but let's get started and see what's in here. So let's see. Spring box. Did I say it was a quarterly subscription? It is $39.99 a quarter, and annually it's $145. But like I said, if you type in Spring 50, you get the box for $19.99. So it says this box was designed by artist Sonia Romero and has over $160 of beauty and lifestyle products from some of our favorite brands. Sonia is known for her printmaking, paper cutting, painting, and public art. The design is part of our series entitled Inner Landscape, which depicts our internal emotions and energies in symbolic form. And there you go. There, that gives you more information. Don't look at my crusty nails. I didn't do them today. So yes, Spiritu is a platform for women to shop, connect, and be inspired. Members can feel good knowing that when they subscribe to the Spiritu box or make a purchase in the Spiritu shop, they are also helping support and empower Latina entrepreneurs, creators, and community organizations. Thank you for being part of our amazing community. Help us spread the love by sharing Spiritu with your friends and followers. Wow, so that is the box. That's what it looks like when you open it. So this picture here was created by Sonia Romero, so that's actually a really nice picture, and then lovely as you open it up. So let's get started. Spiritu, what's inside the box? Do I really want to look? Okay, well, I won't look at it yet. Once I pull the items out, then I'll do it. Get 20% off Zano activewear site-wide with Spiritu 20. Ashley Campuzano is an actress, model, and entrepreneur. She launched Zano Activewear, a line of fitness and leisure apparel in August 2018. Ashley created this exclusive on-the-go bag to inspire Spiritu women to be resilient, always go after what they want, and never give up. They think it, want it, get it. So there you go, if anybody's interested in that. Okay, so it says, what does it say? Tu? So it's got the little sticker on there. Open it. Oh, wow, this is interesting. So this here, Peru. Spiritu is honored to feature this keychain handmade by local female textile artisans from Ollantaytambo and Culap, Peru. We are proud to support these artisans through Sustainable Preservation Initiative. SPI empowers local entrepreneurs, over 85% whom are women, to alleviate poverty and preserve their past by creating jobs that are dependent on the preservation of cultural heritage sites. So there's the card there. Peru. And this is the lovely keychain. So there's that. So that's nice. Help empower women. And that's the top. So let's see. Is there a price tag on that? No, I guess that's just thrown in there. Then you get some lovely earrings by Margaret Elizabeth. Now these like overpriced too. Oh yeah. Simple and chic, these earrings are a fresh take on the traditional gold hoop. These earrings post into the ear and are 24 karat gold fill, sterling silver with 24 karat inlaid over sterling silver. Retail value at $78. Well, is that what these earrings go for? I don't even know. I'm not familiar with jewelry, so I always say that they overprice the jewelry, but you know, small businesses do tend to charge a little more because they are small business. I mean, they're pretty. What's the earring there? They're pretty, and then those are the bags. But I don't know. For $78, what do you think? Do you think that's what they're worth? They're not heavy because they're hollow. But comment down below, have you heard of this box? Would you get this box to try it out? I don't know. I'll link all the information down below. Let me know what you think of the box and what your favorite item is, the whole box. So those are the earrings. The next thing I am pulling out is Instant Lift eye masks. These eye masks are in every box. Is it me, or is it just that's what's happening? They seem to be in every damn box. Bodyography Instant Eye Lift. I gotta see if these work, because there they are. I see all my garbage behind. And then that's the back of it. And you never guess how much these are. $26. And you get 3 eye masks. This is just no way. These have to do some extensive work on my face for me to say, yes, I'm gonna go spend $26 on some eye masks. Why they price this eye masks, I don't know. But maybe this box isn't worth $160 or something that they say. Maybe it's worth the 20 bucks I got it for. Use code Spritú25 to get 25% site-wide at bodyography.com. It's supposed to be brighter, youthful. I don't do eye masks. I put them on, but I don't know. Seems like they never work. We're always looking for that miracle on something, but yeah, whatever. Halo Color Lab. Collab with Pili Montilla. Llamen a los bomberos. Call the fire department. What is this? It's a nail polish. Llamen a los bomberos. Call the fire department because it's red. Spritú limited edition nail color is Spritú collaborated with 4 amazing women who created beautiful custom colors as well as one special shade inspired by the Spritú winter box. This polish is better for you, high performance, long wear, and 8 free. Blah 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 blah. Love yours, shop the others, and learn more about the story behind each custom shade. So I got this one, which is funny, but llamen a los bomberos. I don't use nail polish, but if I were to give this away at a giveaway, would you guys still use it if I swatched a little bit? Oh, that's nice. The color goes on nice. What did I do? So that's the color there. Like I said, don't look at my crusty fingers. It's too orangey for me. I mean, it's pretty, but for $13 for one, I don't know. Maybe I'm just cheap. I think that's my problem. I'm just cheap. I want everything to be like $5. So every time I mention something to be like $12, $13, $25, I just freak out because I want everything to be pretty much free. Just saying. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out of here. Oh, and it's got like all the little noodles thingies. So a lot of it. What the hell? Is it all noodles? Yeah, it is. So I got a Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. I mean, this is something I usually get when I order off of Macy's. So this is Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. What is there to say? What is it? Inspired by the Clinique team in Mexico, this lightweight mascara is smudge resistant and formulated with lash conditioning mamey seed oil. So $9.50 for this. I believe it because it's Clinique. But you get better deals on Macy's, I guess. I don't know. So $9.50 for that. And then we have Dove Ultra Care Conditioners, Creme Conditioner. So it's just a conditioner. Oh, this is right. This is retailed at $4.99. Finally, something that makes sense. Oh, it smells good. It's a conditioner. So there's nothing to say other than it's a conditioner. It's $5, which is pretty much that, I believe. The next thing I am pulling out in here is a Donna Karan deodorant. It's twist off again. Oh, smells good, but I don't know what Donna Karan's supposed to. Oh wait. No, I don't like this. It smells weird. Oh, I don't know. But it's Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. That's not a mist. Is that a mist? Is that what this is? Oh, deodorant antiperspirant, and this retails for $15. Wow, really? This thing retails for $15? Kind of what I would think it would retail for. That's actually correct. I think that's correct. And then I have this bag. Oh, I hate these bags. Think It, Want It, Get It Zeno. This bag is like the cheesiest bag I've ever gotten in a box. This activewear on the go bag is $15. What? Look at this. It's like super see-through. If you can see my hand through there, right? It's $15 for these pull bags. You can get these free at carnivals. Just saying. I would not pay $15 for this. Nike, I think, sells them for $25, but this is like really cheap. I don't know, $15 for that? I would not pay $15 for that. It says, brings you this exclusive on-the-go bag from her line. This lightweight accessory is a perfect companion for running errands, working out, or outings with your friends. Plus, it's all about getting you ready to take on the day. Think it, want it, get it. But the problem is I hate these bags. These always rip from here. You can't put too much in here, and I put everything in my bags. And then the straps always hurt if you have too much in them. So to me, $15 for this bag, no. No, 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 no. And then that's it, right? So I got all this stupid, look at this. This is full. I mean, I'm glad that they did it this way. So your stuff don't get squished. But seriously, you didn't have to do all that. Not for this box. This is like, stick every, I don't know. Let me recap. I'm kind of upset with this bag. Maybe because they're fairly new. I'm not sure. But I will link them down below if you want to try them out. Did I get my money's worth for the 20 bucks? I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. Well, if this is 15 and this is 5, this is 20 bucks. So then everything else was free. So like the little eye thingies was free. This bag, this is a cheesy ass bag. This stuff here, these lettering will come off right away. The earrings are nice. Those I give them to $78. No, 20 at the most. 20. So maybe this bag was $40. So I'm kind of glad I got it for the what is it called? I'm kind of upset with this box. The nail polish was okay. I think I got my money's worth. And then they give you this, which is good because they're empowering women in Peru. Did I get my money's worth? Yes. Is this box worth $165? I don't think it was. But comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you think it was worth $161? So let me see if I can bring this up to the camera so you can see all the things. And maybe you can pause it so you can read on it. Let me know. What do you think? Comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like this video so you can see more of me unboxing and making a fool of myself, because I did today. Oh, and I have the pizza lashes on. Except I forgot which ones I put on. Sicilian, maybe? I'll let you know. I did have to cut them. No. Brooklyn. Oh, Sandra. I always forget. Okay, I got the Sicilians on. So those are the eyelashes there. What do you think? I did have to cut them I cut a little chunk off of them, just the ends, but then, you know, how do they look? They look nice. Okay, so like I said, go ahead and comment. Let me know what you thought of this box. Let me know if you're gonna get it, just to see what you get in your box, or if you're gonna wait. I don't know. But thank you for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified of all my future releases. And also give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube knows that you're liking my stuff and recommends it to other people. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again. Hasta Laterz.